It's time already. It's time.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Columbia County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake City, moving north at 10 miles per hour.
That's us.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Hail.
Source radar indicated.
I got my truck out in the rain.
Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Ooh.
Expect more damage to roofs.
See if it's on the TV. Let's see if it's on. Not yet.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Columbia, Florida.
That's us.
Oh, I gotta move my truck.
Let's see the TV. See if it's on the TV.
What?
Let's see if it's on the TV.
What are you jumping up and down for?
I'm just going to check if it's on the TV.
Is that the upper low that gave the tornadoes in Minnesota doesn't have too.
The weather chap in St. Louis. That's all I gotta say. Yeah, your hometown.
Let's reload the page.
It is. It's a tough one. All right, so we do know that we are tracking the severe weather threat for this afternoon.
And fortunately, here with us at the Weather Channel and in the lab right now, we have our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes. What are you watching, Dr. Forbes?
Well, we're watching some storms coming across Michigan, and then watching another area farther to the south and west of that.
Yep, that's us.
Action right now, but could have some this evening farther to the south and west. That could now that are going slowly to Canada. So this evening,
What are you watching, Dr. Forbes?
well, we can't.
Let's see. Yep, complete signal loss.